Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. Welcome to my channel. I am going to share with you a natural beauty look using some of my favorite products. Start with prepping your skin. I'm using the La Mer Lip Volumizer to hydrate my lips. I now prep my skin with the YSL Top Secrets Instant Matte Pore Refiner. It is a primer. Make sure to use just a little bit and apply a few dots on your face and blend it out. It has salicylic acid in there, which is great for oily or acne prone skin. Now make sure to press onto the skin to smooth the fine lines and the pores. For my next product, I'm using the NARS Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. I'm applying the concealer under both of my eyes like a check sign. Use a beauty blender to spread and blend the concealer under your eyes. I am patting really well to blend the concealer. And make sure to pat in the inner corners of your eyes and on your eyelids. For my foundation, I'm using the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation in 3.30, which is a warm olive undertone shade. I squeeze about 2 to 4 pumps from my entire face, and I love using the Real Technique Miracle Complexion Sponge. It is so much cheaper than a Beauty Blender sponge, and it still does the job. Dab the foundation on and blend really well by using a patting and bouncing motion. Make sure to get all areas of your face. Keep blending your foundation with your sponge. And now I like to use another layer of foundation to give my skin more coverage. Just keep patting and bouncing. For my next step, I love using my Shiseido foundation brush. It has a round shape and it is flat on the top with a slant, so you can reach in areas like your nose to blend the foundation. And I also use it to blend anywhere where my pores are larger and where I have lines to blur it out. I set my foundation with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder by using the Laura Mercier Velour Puff. I like to cover the powder container with the puff and tilt it upside down to get some powder on it. Then I fold it in half like a taco and smudge it together to spread the product evenly. Then I use it on my skin by lightly rolling and pressing. Make sure to blend it really well. And also don't forget to set under your eyes. I am now moving on onto the eyes. I am using the Marc Highliner Gel Eye Crayon Eyeliner in Earthquake, and it is a deep matte brown shade, and I'm creating a tight line by applying it under my upper lash line or waterline. A really easy application is to look down into the mirror and apply it on. Now moving on to the next eye. But what I love about this eyeliner is that it is a gel, smooth texture. You can really, use it to create a smoky eye look, or just use it like an eyeliner like I'm using it now. And it is waterproof, so it will not smudge or smear down your eyes. If you want to create a smoky eye with it, it takes about 15 seconds to set. So work quickly and use a smudging brush with it. I am using the Revlon Color Stay Creme eyeshadow in shade Caramel 710. It has a little brush connected to the lid. I'm using the little brush to apply the cream eyeshadow on my eyelids, and then we'll use a flat eyeshadow brush to blend. Using my flat eyeshadow brush, I am blending it up, not going past the brow bone, but also making sure I get the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I am using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Sand Dune in the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm going to blend it with a taper crease eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to keep the eyeshadow in the lower lid and the outer corner. This shade is great because it has enough contrast color for a natural look, so I don't have to go too dark. With a cream eyeshadow, I like to just blend so that it's really nice and smooth. For my next step, I am using the Marc Jacobs Magic Marker Precision Pen Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Cocoa Lacquer. It is a deep brown color. It has a felt tip which makes it super easy to create a wing. I also love to use this eyeliner on my waterline and just to create a tight line. It's waterproof, so it's great for that. Use your eyebrow pencil as a tool to create your brow shape. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. I start in the outer corners of my brows by using small strokes to draw in the shape, and then I fill it in. I use the same technique, working my way to the middle of the brows, and then working my way towards the front. Next, I use an eyebrow brush and a MAC eyeshadow in Concrete to fill my eyebrows to make them a little darker. Also, start in the outer corner and work your way to the inner corners of your eyebrows and keep it a little lighter in the inner areas. You can see how it has a nice ombre effect on the eyebrows. Now, I like to use my eyebrow brush to see where my brows should start, arch, and end. The last step for my eyebrows, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in Granite to polish and shape the eyebrow hairs. Just lightly brush over the brows. I'm going to contour my face with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Radiant Bronze Light, and using a medium face brush, I'm going to apply it in the shadowed areas of my face. I'm getting my temples, my hairline, my forehead, underneath the cheekbones and the ears and the jawline, then the chin. A great tip is to suck in your cheeks and apply underneath the cheekbones where the shadow is. Now just keep blending until you get a nice desired look. I am doing the same on the other cheek, and I'm making sure that I'm going to apply underneath the jawline and my neck area. For my cheeks, I'm using Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks in pale pink. It's a great natural color. Anyone can wear this color. The easiest application is to use your fingertips, smile to see where the apples of your cheeks are, and dab it on and blend by using light strokes towards the back of the cheeks. I will be using a few new Huda Beauty samples, her new Legit Lashes Mascara and her new Dema Matte Cream Lipstick. The Legit Lashes Mascara has a volume mascara that I'm going to use on my right eyelashes and the curl and lengthening mascara on my left eyelashes. I start by curling my lashes before applying any mascara. I'm using the Shiseido Eyelash Curler. It is wider, so it's great for curling my Asian eyes, and I like to pump to curl the lashes. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Volume Mascara Brush. For full volume, I apply at the base first, wiggling side to side, and work my way up to the tip of my lashes. You can see how much thickness and volume it gives my lashes. Now I am going to use the other side, which is the lengthening and curling mascara brush. And you can see it has a curved shape to it. Now I'm doing the same on the other side, curling the lashes, and then applying from the base of the lashes, wiggling side to side as I'm working towards the tip of the lashes. My eyelashes are shorter, so I will take my time applying my mascara, or I will do a few more coats to really thicken it up. What's great about this mascara is that you can really layer it up. I like to use an eyeliner brush with the same eyeshadow I used for my lower lid to clean up any mascara on my skin. The mascara looks great. Alright, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick, and the sample packet is super cute because it comes with all the shades and you can tear them out to give to your beauty friends. I chose the Mogul shade, which resembles my lip color but is a little brighter. First, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Color Rich Lip Liner in Forever Rose. It has a very similar tone to the Mogul shade lipstick. I am applying it at the bow of my lips first, outlining the line, then filling it in, and then I will use it on the bottom lip line. I like to fill in the lips with my lip liner so that way it does not look like I drew a line. Now I'm going to use the cream lipstick with a lip brush. I'm applying it, blending it really well with my lip liner. This is a great shade for my natural lips. It just gives me a pop of color without looking like I'm wearing too much lipstick. For my last step, I'm going to set my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist to keep it hydrated and to prevent my makeup from caking up. I always like to spray my skin twice, and then I use my hands to fan it out and press it into the skin. Now, I'm all set for my natural beauty look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Until next time.